Welcome to our English class. We will take the grammar section today, page number 97 of your textbook, and the topic is adverbs. Adverbs are words that tells us when, where, and how something happened. They tells us more about verbs. Now see the first sentence. Bhasmasura came out of forest. Bhasmasura came out of forest. Yesterday is the time. Means it answers to the question when. When Bhasmasura came out of forest? Yesterday. Yes. Yesterday is the adverb. Yesterday is an adverb. Second sentence. They were dancing. There. They were dancing there. There means it answers to the question where. Where they were dancing? There. It answers to the question where. So where something has happened. Now this hope you have understood. Next, number 3. The dancer spoke softly. How? How something happened. So dancer spoke softly. How the dancer spoke? Softly. So softly answers to the question how. How? When, where and how. When, where and how something happened is called adverbs. They tells more about the verbs. Verb like dancing, spoke, came. They are verbs. Came yesterday, were dancing there, spoke softly. Hope you have understood adverbs. Let's see more example. So, an adverb tells how, when or where an actions happen. An adverb always describes verbs. Verbs means action word. An adverb never describes a noun or a pronoun. An adverb tells how, when, where an action happened. Remember that. An adverb is a word that tells something more about a verb. So, here are some adverbs. Daily, somewhere, quickly, everywhere, calmly, regularly, nowhere, freely, silently, soon, etc. etc. See this first example. My father came home early. Came is an action word, that is verb. Or early is describing that action. So early is an adverb. So word early is an adverb. When. It tells when my father came. Early. Sam sees many puppies. Outside. Now here word outside is adverb and sees is action word. That is verb. So I have told you adverb describes verbs, not noun. So sees, what Sam sees, where Sam sees many puppies, so outside. Outside is an adverb. It is adverb. Hope you have understood this example. Next, I ate my dinner quickly. So quickly is an adverb. Ate is verb, action verb, action word. So ate quickly. How? It describes that how things has happened. How the child ate. I ate my dinner. How I ate my dinner? Quickly. So quickly is an adverb. It is an adverb. Hope you have understood. Thank you and take care of your health. Bye for now.